In this video, I will show you how to open a Barclays Bank account online. Get started, go ahead and open Barclays on your browser. Click on the digital banking tab from here, and you can simply click on online banking from there. Simply select register from the section, and that will redirect you into this section. So in here, you'll be able to find the requirements to be able to be eligible to open an account on Barclays. After you read this, you can go ahead and scroll down and click on the start button to start your application. In this section, you'll need to enter your personal details such as your last name, date of birth, postcode, and so much more, such as your account details, sort code, card number, and contact details. After that, you need to review the terms and condition of Barclays before you create an account on them. And after that, you'll need to complete your application online, and that is basically how you can open a Barclays Bank account online. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.